Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Meen Pollichathu or fish pollichathu but without using banana leaf. Come, let's cook. So first we are going to take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic chili paste, 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon of pepper powder. Add salt as per taste. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use another oil of your choice. Mix it well. Now add some water to make a thick paste of it. Now we are going to apply the paste on both sides of the fish. And marinate it for 10 minutes. Now we are going to fry the fish. Fry until both of the sides of the fish turns crispier. Actually, this is one of the tastiest fish recipe, Meen Pollichathu. After that, in another kadai, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 thinly sliced onion, 4 slitted chilies, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic chili paste. Add salt as per taste. Saute until the color of onion changes. Cook for about 10 minutes. Now add 1 sliced tomato. Cook for 5 minutes. Now we can add the spices. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well and cook for 1 minute. Now we are going to add the coconut milk. I am using 1 cup of coconut milk. If you are using the first extraction of coconut milk, make sure not to overboil it and make sure to cook on low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. It's optional. Mix it well. Cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame and in another pan, put some oil and put the fish fry on it and just pour all the gravy which we have made earlier using the coconut milk on the fish. Add a fresh curry leaf. Cook for 10 minutes on low flame and the tasty, creamy Meen Pollichathu is ready.